Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Get your coffee, get your bagels, get your breakfast burritos, whatever they are. Good morning, everybody. It's Monday. It's now 6:16 in the morning, and yeah, we got ourselves a little bit of a gap up. We are gapped up a little bit more than 18 points right now, looking as if we're going to open somewhere close to around 39.90. Uh, but yeah, again, just reiterate. Range has been absolutely horrible. The range intradays have been very, very terrible. So don't go expecting too much just because you have a little bit of a gap up. We're still not at that full moon window yet. Thursday, Friday, window starts to open up. So again, with Friday's sell down, it's not so much that we need a green close. It's nothing like that. However, because it has been so long since we have had a move to the greater than 1% level, I'd highly anticipate that there's a very good chance of us seeing 4009, 4010, and again being back into that ping pong zone. Not really much to go over with you. Again, your ping pong area that you had last week was right here, 4020, 3980. Came right up to 3980 on Friday and then failed. But we're looking as if we're going to be right back up in that ping pong zone, but nothing bullish about this in any way, shape, or form. 4030, you're going to have a big resistance area as we get to that. But we are due to get a bounce back up to around 4070. I wouldn't say that it'll start this week, but it's there. And because we have had 3 red weeks in a row, very much anticipating that we're going to get a green week. So where we open today is where that calculation begins from. That's why I'm going ahead and putting out the trade of the week for this week, being trading the bullish SPX puts that you'll see in your email there, using on Friday's close. And even though I am expecting we are going to get another visit down here to 39.40, maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, but definitely looking for something down in that area. SPY, here's your gap up. Nothing beautiful about it. Closed right here, 396.38. We're right up here, just about 22 points higher. That's your number one right up here, close to 400. Here's Friday's open or Friday's pre-market highs. So we're stuck in this zone. So again, nothing absolute, nothing large to be getting very big into. Zoom threw that out at the bottom of your email. They're reporting earnings after the close today. This thing's a complete piece of shit. But again, here you go. This is your January 25 low, right at the IPO highs. The IPO open is 65. You can zoom out on this thing and you can see it's just a complete piece of garbage. But your all-time lows are 59.94. So blah, 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 blue, blue, blue. But yeah, it's total garbage. I might actually look at this from a perspective of if we can sell a credit spread. But when I looked over here, the volume, it's garbage. It really is. There's 200 contracts, 196 contracts. I mean, yeah, sure, we could go out there and get a decent credit spread over here on the call side. You know, the spread's not terrible. It's actually pretty fucking good. Huh, I'll put this together. Yeah, it's pretty good. You know, it's not terrible. Yeah, 85 is your high over here in the beginning of February, and obviously you got your drop down. Zoom ain't gonna break nobody's fucking estimates. No way in hell. So, and anyway, this trend line here that you can see, here's where it comes from. So, yeah, that's where your trend line's at. So, whatever. We'll put something together on it. But here, again, your VIX. That lower high that you had there on Friday, as we had that big sell down, again, like I was saying, this has been nothing but a big bear trap. It was a dip that was due to happen. We were obviously prepared for this at the very beginning of the month when we hit 41.95 on the SPX. Here on the VIX, I think, again, being as religious as I am about my VIX, the bulls on the SPX and SPY might be able to have a little bit of a run if they can get the VIX down to 2102, but that's about all you're going to get for now. And then again, this gap to be filled down here lower, it's not going to get filled intraday. So yeah, there's not much space to be taken on today. We're really looking at another barn buster being back inside of this window. So I'll catch you guys in the chat room, and yeah, we'll look at that Zoom spread. I'll throw that out before the open.